Hello everyone, my name is Kashika Narula and today over here I'm going to show you how to make a chatbot replica using Google Colab Python. So firstly, we need to import the required things. So if you want to use an emoji in your chatbot replica, you will add import emoji. And if not, you can just continue without. Now we will install the system executable. So we'll do import system, or if your computer supports sys, then you'll write import sys and then this to install the emoji. But if you don't want to install emoji, then you can leave this line right now. Next, we have the function which we created the chatbot with. So first I'll show you how it works and then I can show you how to make it. Firstly, what's on your mind today? Type bye to stop the chatbot. Hello, how are you? I've already run it once and tried to check something that it doesn't understand yet. So it gives sorry, I don't understand that yet. This is a chatbot replica on a very basic level. So it'll only understand certain statements which I have put in, like hello, how are you? I'm good, you, and your name. Else it will say that chatbot, sorry, I don't understand. Now over here, hello, how are you? So I can either write I'm good, comma you. So it will say, sorry, I don't understand that because we used something which it doesn't understand yet. So I can just rerun it all and then I can write, how are you? It'll give, I'm fine and ready to chat. So that's how this works. So, hi, what's on your mind today? Type bye to stop the chat. So I'll just write in, let me just say hello. So I'll write in HELLO. It'll say, hello, how are you? How about I'm good, comma, you, question mark. Sorry, I don't understand that yet. I guess I used something wrong. So I'll just copy it from here and I'll just paste it over here and maybe it still gives error. Yep, it does. So I'll just go straight to the point and ask your name, question mark. Sorry, I don't understand that. Why did that happen? Because it has a question mark which I didn't give it. So I'll just write your name and it'll give, okay, my name is Simple Python Chatbot. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to run this. Firstly, we'll create a class which has the name chatbot. You can put it as bot or chat or my bot or anything. It's just a class name. Now it will show this round and round running because the cell is practically still running. So I can just stop it over here. I can run it again and check it out. And then I printed the basic statements. Like I need to know how to stop the chatbot. So I'll just write bye and it should stop the chatbot. Oh, right. There's an error coming, which you guys will have to tell what it is to me because I put in lower dot split. So it should show all lower cases, but it isn't showing all lower cases. Next, hi, what's on your mind today? And then print type bye to stop the chatbot. So if I type bye all in lowercase, then it should stop the chatbot. Next, we have while true. So what we can do is we can input things from our side or the chatbot can give. So you can just write it straight away. I have decided to write you over here, as you can see, and chatbot separately so that even I don't get confused like which line is mine. Have I said goodbye or has chatbot said goodbye? So what I've done is I've written you and chatbot. So in the while true loop, you put in that every time we input from you, means every time I input anything, it will go to lowercase. So that the error which we just got about the chatbot, which was giving, sorry, I don't understand that yet on a buy, now it won't give. So that's what it's supposed to do. Now you can either use a for loop and connect some website to this channel and then make sure that the website does not crash someday and then your chatbot goes on very nicely. But what if that website is also a false website and gets deleted in a few days? Then what will you do? So for that, I have straight away put in these common statements like, firstly, if chatbot asks, hello, how are you? So there are two types of responses. It can be I'm good, you, or how are you? So I've put in those. But if you want to make an advanced version of chatbot, then we can always use the website and then connect it to the chatbot and give it its own mind. Next, I have put in elif statement. If user input hello or hi, then the chatbot should say hello, how are you? So I'll run it and put in hi once. Hi, hello, how are you? Next, we have how are you? So we'll put in how are you. Sorry, I don't understand that yet is because I have the R spelling wrong. So right now the chatbot cannot improvise and like cannot understand typos yet. So we'll have to correct that. If I put in how are you and enter, then it gives a proper code, like a proper I'm fine and ready to chat. Elif, I'm good, you, and Elif, your name, and all. I already explained what all that does. And then else, print chatbot. Sorry, I don't understand that yet. Like in a typo or if a number comes, then the chatbot will say, sorry, I don't understand that yet. And then I straight away called that chatbot as an object. So for object, we use brackets and no def before it. Next, I'll show you how to add the emoji. So firstly, we have put in label equal to 1 for C in emoji data dot items. Emoji dot data dot items is the system which we installed from pip. If you see over here, install emoji. Along with emoji, it installs emoji dot data dot items. And then emoji character is equal to C data 0, which we gave a key. And then emoji name is equal to C underscore data 1, which we gave a value. And then I did label dot append, add emoji character and emoji name to the label, and then I printed the label. So let's run and see what comes. It will take time to run, but I'll just tell you what it's supposed to do. It is actually supposed to give a medal as an image. So once it gives that medal, we all get very happy, like, yes, I got a medal on it. And that's how it's supposed to work. I'll just reload it and then run all so that any problem it's having just doesn't go on effect. Yep, there we go. Now I'll just run the first one and then it takes a bit time to connect. You'll see over here and then it runs automatically. So right, if you see over here, I'm not sure if the video is capturing it or not, but you see the medal over here, the one medal. Now that's all for today and I hope you guys liked this video. So please, if you did like it, like and subscribe. I'll show you how to do the emoji in the next video as well because I'm not sure if this video captured it or not. So stay tuned and have a nice day. Like and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you.